Kinky curly curling custard, 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 kinky curly curling custard. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be testing out a holy grail of the natural hair community. Holy grail, okay? Kinky curly curling custard. Here we go. Kinky curly curling custard. So we're going to be doing a wash and go with this. So the holy grail is basically the kinky curly not today and the curling custard combined for a bomb wash and go. I've heard. We'll find out today. So if you've been following me on Instagram and / watching my videos, YouTube videos, I love this. This Kinky Curly Not Today is such a good leave-in conditioner. It's a detangler and a leave-in conditioner. This is so moisturizing. This is definitely one of my holy grails. I absolutely love this. As you can see, there's barely any left. It all goes a long way. This is super moisturizing. I love this stuff, okay? So I applied that while in the shower after I shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. I did a protein deep conditioner, and now we are going to do a wash and go with it. So I've been into wash and goes lately after I did my first wash and go ever with the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey curling custard and the Wetline Extreme gel. So I'm like, you know what, let's try other products to see if these wash and goes really last, if this is something I really like. So I decided that we're going to do this because it's a holy grail of the natural hair community. Leave-in conditioner, as I said, is already on my head, so I'm just going to follow up with this. My hair is soaking wet. My hair is soaking wet, okay? So let's open this bad boy first of all. Okay, so first of all, I was struggling trying to get this thing open, okay? Like struggling. I'm currently still struggling. Let me get the scissors. Let me get the scissors because this is ridiculous. So 5 years later, it is open. This is what it looks like in here. Hopefully you can see that. I'm really nervous that just the curling custard alone will not hold the curls for very long, so I will have to do another wash and go or do my hair again in like 2 days. Who wants to do their hair in 2 days after having to do all of this? But I'ma do it. I'ma do it. For the sakes of the review, I'm going to do it. But I don't know. I'm skeptical. We're gonna find out. Let's get started. So I'm gonna take this off. As I said, my hair is soaking wet. Look, there's literally water in here. You see this? There's literally water in here. That's a shame. Okay, so I'm just gonna clip these out. But let's just take a minute to see how juicy these twists are though. Hey, yes, moisture come through. Okay, see what this texture is like. See? This is what the texture is like. Ooh, slimy. Ooh, she's slimy. I really think I need to go in with a second gel, but we gonna see. So I'm pretty heavy-handed, so I'm gonna try to not be. And I want to make sure I get not only like I focus a lot on the roots because my hair poofs up a lot. I don't know if anybody else's does that, but mine poofs up a lot. So I'm just gonna, rake it through, do the prayer hands. I'm not shingling. I'm just gonna rake it through. My hair is thoroughly detangled, so it's good. And not too bad, not too shabby. Looks like I should go in with a gel, but again, for the sake of this. So this is what the first section looks like. Hopefully you can see that. And we'll do the second section. So I'm trying to not use a lot, like that. I'm just gonna make sure I get the roots really well. and then work it in all the way down. I mean, the curls are popping though. The curls are popping. Okay, we're gonna add some more. Again, I'm very heavy-handed, so that is a huge problem when I'm testing new products, because sometimes just being heavy-handed, like you put on too much product and then it's like the product works, just the technique that I used didn't work, you know what I mean? So we're gonna just keep going though. Okay, so look at these curls though, bruh. Look at these curls. That is nice. Like, I hope you guys can see that. It looks so good. That looks really good. That looks really, really good. I'm really happy with that. I want to make sure I do my ends. Focus on my ends a lot and the roots, because that's where it's the danger zone. The danger zone. I'm just kidding. But yes, I love this. Look at these curls. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing this throughout the rest of my hair. I'm gonna apply the curling custard to every single section, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So, this is the end result. This is my hair completely wet. It looks like it defined my curls really, really well. I have like a problem area in the front of my hair because I do a lot of protective styles and I braid the front of my hair a lot. So it doesn't curl as well as the rest of my hair does, which is really annoying. So it's another reason I'm thinking I'm gonna start doing more wash and goes, because I really want that curl pattern to go, but I know it's not heat damage. So, but look at this. Like, it really defined my curls a lot. It defined them so well. I hope you guys are, I hope the camera is picking up on this, but it looks really, really good. Like, I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to go sit under the dryer. I'm impatient, y'all. I'm impatient, y'all. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer for like an hour. Last time it took me like an hour and 20, hour and 30 minutes. So hopefully it's dry before then, because that's so long. That's so long for me. But I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna watch a show. I'm gonna do it though. So I will be back after I dry my hair to show you the end result. See you. Okay, loves, so I am back. I sat under the dryer for about an hour and 20-ish minutes. Then I did my makeup. But this is the final result. And we have a winner. Love it. So my curls feel good. Looks like every curl is super defined. I absolutely love this. Like, there's not really a gel cast at all. There is a little bit of gel cast, but it's not like when I use the Wet Lime Extreme. So that to me means that I'm not going to get as long of a wear out of this. I think that I'm probably gonna have to do this in about 3 days, do my hair over in about 3 days ish. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it still looks really, really good. I'm really happy about it. So you already know that I love the Kinky Curly Knot today. This This leave-in slash detangler is absolutely amazing. It's one of my favorites. I have clearly used up almost all of this. Little goes a long way, but one of my faves for sure, one of my staples. Absolutely love this. So this is my first time using the Kinky Curly Curling Custard. Kinky Curly Curling Custard, Kinky Curly Curling Custard, Kinky Curly Curling Custard, Kinky Curly Curling Custard. I don't even know if I said that right, but that's okay. The Kinky Curly Curling Custard is my first time using this, and I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I did not think that it was gonna hold the curls like in the way that it did, or it has. This was a little expensive. I don't remember how much it was. I'm gonna look it up online. But I remember I was like, do I need it? Because it's only a little bitty jar. I was like, do I need it? I'm real heavy-handed, so I was not feeling it at the time. But I got it. It smells really good. It worked really well. This is how much I use, so I still get a few more uses out of that for sure, which is great because it was a little expensive. And when you spend in your own coin, it matters, okay? It matters. I need to get a couple of good wears out of it. So these are the curls. I absolutely love it. I'm hoping it lasts at least 3 days. We'll see, but I doubt it. But either way, like, it makes my hair look really dense. I do have high density hair, but I have fine hair, so a lot of times my hair looks very flat when I do twist outs and stuff like that. But this defined every single curl, so like my hair looks very dense to me, in my opinion. It looks very dense for my hair. So I absolutely love it. I definitely will be doing this again. It was super fast to do too, because it's really just 2 products. Like normally I put on the leave-in conditioner and then I put on a milk, and then I'm sealing my hair, twisting butter, something like that. For this, I just put on the leave-in conditioner and then the curling custard on top. And then my other wash and go, I put the leave-in conditioner, a curling custard, and then a gel. So it was pretty easy. It took me like 20 minutes maybe to go through my whole head, 20 or 30 minutes to go through my whole head, and then I sat it in the dryer for, like I said, an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. And I was just chilling, looking at stuff on the computer or my phone or whatever. And it worked out, so I really love it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've used the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, Kinky Curly Curling Custard, Kinky Curly Curling Custard, and if you would ever use it again. And I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.